Hey guys, so we just got back from doing a whole bunch of errands. We went and got a form signed at Michael's doctor's office because he figured out what medicine he's going to be going on, and then he got some blood work done, and we actually noticed that a GameStop opened up like 30 minutes from here. Usually we were driving like, I don't know, maybe like an hour and 40 minutes, but yeah, so I got a whole bunch of cool stuff for the boys, and I think we're gonna give them each one of these. And anyway, yeah, this is what we got. We got a Wii remote. It's only $29. The other ones are like $39, and this one's pretty cool because it's like a see-through. Yeah, we got a whole bunch of these. These were buy 2 and get 3 for free, and these were really cool. They love amiibos. So we got a Luigi and a Mario, a Pikachu, we have a Yoshi already, and a Link, and we got a Bowser, and we got this one is a Toad, and Micah is gonna love that. But I'm gonna surprise him with each one of these today, and then I might save 2 of them for Christmas, and then we're gonna use this, and we're actually gonna be able to play together, all of us. Before we didn't have enough, so now we do, and so we're really excited to play some games with them. We're gonna probably play Bowser Party, and yeah, I'm excited to play with my boys when they get home.
I got a sunball from school.
It's super cute, buddy. I'm so happy for you.
No, hon, these are mine.
Mommy,
okay.
feel it.
It's awesome.
Oh. And actually, there is something inside.
Yeah, we're gonna be
it's
cooking.
Like thing. Mommy, shake it.
Yeah?
Oh. Do you hear it?
Yeah, I hear it.
Something's inside of it.
So, guys.
It sounds like it's I want
Micah, Nathan, Nicholas, come here, guys.
What? Ooh, GameStop. A GameStop.
Sit down. Sit right in a row for me. Take something out. Put your hand in. Take something out.
What do you think?
Yes, Bowser!
Put something in. Take something out.
One
more. Hey, one more. Look what Nikki just pulled out.
Nice.
Reach your hand in.
Toad! Oh my god. Can I get something? Luigi.
Well, I thought you were going to be the one that pulled this one out. But
No. Pikachu!
What do you think, guys?
Let's try these amiibos out.
You have 2 amiibos each? Well, Nathan got a paddle, but you know.
you know what that
You're gonna
paddle
share.
means?
Yeah!
It means Bowser Party tonight. The whole family's playing.
Yes! Woo! Put them all in a row. I wish we had the thing that goes round and round, and we can put this on and we can see everything. Oh my god. I want to use Mario Party on this. I really like this. I will try this out for Super Smash Brothers. I want to try Toad out. I want to try him out for and I want to try Bowser. Micah, we can we can put these all on Smash Bros. Because it all works for every Wii U game that had that thing in it. Yes, I believe. High five! Wow! Whee! Look at this.
I'm so glad you got that from school. That's cool. We filled out surveys and they got a prize. Isn't that cool? It's so cute.
It's like a pufferfish, but instead, it's yellow.
Do you think, are those amiibos gonna work?
Yeah, on Bowser.
On Bowser Party?
They're even
No
gonna
way.
work for Smash
Really?
Bros. They're even gonna work for Smash Bros. Brawl. And Daddy, you can even get like a daily reward thing on there. They're super cool. I don't know if it's like a secret thing, but I used to link them. And I got a surprise. I got. Daddy, want to feel it? And.
Whoa.
4, 5, 6. I can't move on.
you're wondering, this is a recipe from Taste of Home. It is called Winning Apple Crisp. Alright, so I just got done making apple crisp with the boys and I messed it up. Somehow I wrote it down on paper and I forgot to write that I needed to add cornstarch, and it just did not. You know that moment when you're like thinking and talking to to anyone and you hear Legos just dump out of the container? I just heard that just now. It doesn't sound fun to clean up. Anyway, I put it in the last pie apple crisp I made and it didn't dissolve very well, so I'm kind of glad it didn't. Then again, I'm wondering, I'm dumping all this liquid in. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but hey, I'll let you guys know. Cooking fails happen. They do. Except I don't know if it's a fail yet. It might be good. It does say winning apple crisp. It might just win my heart. Doubt it, because I think I messed it up, but oh well, that's okay. The boys are home and we're probably gonna go play the Wii U with them in my room or their room. I don't know, because we both have one. But yeah, we're probably gonna go play, and they're pretty much just up there with their daddy, like figuring out what game they want to play and stuff right now. And I just got done cooking, set the timer, so I'm just gonna have to listen for it if I'm upstairs playing with them, or just somehow set like a timer on like my tablet or something to remind myself to not burn them. Right, so we are all going to be playing games in here.
There's a new party. There's an amiibo party.
Does that mean we can use all of these?
Yeah.
What?
There's an amiibo party. I'm gonna use Bowser if I ever play that time.
These are for you guys.
Bowser, look at. Go, Captain Toad.
You're up, Mama.
Do I just...
It doesn't go like that. Yay!
Good numbers. Uh-oh.
Look, Mom.
Dinner,
Like
we had chili dogs
The stuff I put in the hot dog.
and some
want some. No.
What?
green beans.
Two.
We're gonna have apple
want it
crisp
just
for
like
dessert. And I did try it, it came out really, really good.
Okay, go ahead.
I just got home from this cute little store called Ed's Grove. And they had this for $1.49. It's a cute little cat toy. I got it for my kitten. I got, these makeup removers. I've been wanting to get these. They're only $1.19. These were $1.99. Michael got these. And we got the boys a whole bunch of gloves. These were $3.99 for winter. And some tape. And toilet paper at Dollar General. And I'm about to do a grocery haul. Oh my gosh. So for dinner we are having quesadillas with chicken and pulled pork with just some cheese and frying it up.
Welcome.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hello. I want to do a prank call.
Micah, hey.
Guys, move over. I'm going to do a prank call.
Careful, Nathan.
Nobody in the book. Can I do a prank call now? No, wait, after me. I can do a prank call.
Should Nikki move? Ooh. Okay.
I'm going to do it again. Nikki, no, please.
Ask nicer than that.
Mommy's getting in the way.
Micah.
I do it. Is Mommy watching? Yeah.
Woo! Good job.
Yeah. Pretty easy. I almost jumped out of the camera.
Alright, well, the boys' friend's going home and they are coming in. They're playing outside in the dark. I don't know if you can hear them. Michael's going out there right now to bring their friend home, and they were playing on the trampoline, but it got too dark. They love it outside when it's dark. I don't know why. That's like their favorite time to play, but anyway, we're gonna be going to bed after this. It's only like 7:25, but I'm probably just gonna upload the vlog. Michael's gonna watch football and the boys are going to just settle down for the night. And I'm probably just gonna like maybe watch some Netflix after I do this if I have time. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.